Hello guys, this is Anastasia and I want to show you a house that just came on the market today. I'm looking at for one of my investors in California and I'm gonna give you the price and the address of the property if you want to know later on. Please watch until the end of the video, and if you like the video, it's really helping me. So that's how house look from outside. Houses next to it, it's kind of taken care of, and it's in a this is a busy street, but this one it's pretty quiet. You see the ones that going down the road. It's beautiful weather today. Outside I don't see that we need a lot of work done. Windows look okay, it's probably need to be painted. And again, for section 8, all of them need to open and close. One is broken down there. Cannot have peeling paint nowhere. This is the backyard. And let's go inside and see what this house offers. This might be a good deal. For listing it says 3 bedroom, 1 bathroom, but let's see. It's usually we find some interesting things inside. This is kind of nice. It's front porch that has been closed, can be used as a mudroom. Okay, and this is entrance. Ceiling is good. Floor. It's another room. Not sure how you call it. And closet right here. And this is, I believe, basement. We're gonna go there later. Definitely can use some paint. And this is kitchen. That's all kitchen that we have. So let's take a good look on it. Okay. Oh no, I was wrong. This is kitchen that we have. And it has pantry room. Floor definitely need to be changed. Kitchen. Okay. This room. Oh, just nothing. Just closet. And let's go to the second floor. Okay. Carpet need to be changed. Not sure what is this room. Oh, they have another. This is the first toilet, right? That's strange things about these houses, like bathroom on the second floor, which may be good, but you see I'm standing right here. That's my hand touching the ceiling. And I'm 170, so it's kind of really low. And I believe this is one room. So we have 2 rooms downstairs. 1 room here. Another room here. And we probably have a roof leak. Because floors are up. And it's not, doesn't feel safe when you're walking. Okay. Closet right here. Yeah. I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of the property, but let's see What nice, it has 2 bedrooms on 2 different sides. Probably closet and another room. Definitely have a problem with the roof. And again, I'm not sure if you can see, but it's really low ceilings. Can you see how this is regular size window? And I mean, I can stand here, but my head is touching the ceiling. Okay. And let's go to the basement and see what basement can offer. So we have 3 rooms here, and 1 more room can be counted as a bedroom here, so it can go as 4 bedroom per section 8. If you are talking about how much money you can charge, it can be 4 bedroom, but definitely it's need a lot of work. And all this basement, it's really clean, really nice, and it doesn't smell mold at all. Just need to paint it, and that's it. Water heater is good. Furnace, not so good. Furnace, it's about $2,000. Electrical, gas meter, electrical. And they even leave you washer and dryer. But basement is pretty dry. Have some cracks, but we always have some foundation moving. Okay, that's gonna be it for this house, and it's for sale for $50,000. And I'm not sure if my investor gonna be interested, but if you need an address, and it's also need windows replacement. You see all these old windows, and per section 8 all of them need to be open and closed. So I would say we are talking 30,000 in rehab. If we're gonna remove all the paneling, but it can be done. Let me know if you like it or not. Hit the like button, and I appreciate you all, guys. Thank you.